Hello students, today we are going to see the very important chapter of your indirect taxes, that is about input tax credit. We call it most commonly as ITC. Now what is this ITC is all about? Means whenever we are purchasing the goods, then we are paying some tax on that, right? And when we are selling the goods, we are collecting the tax from the recipient. So in that case, whatever tax we have collected, that has to be paid to the government. And if you have paid certain tax while purchasing, that tax is adjusted or it is set off against the tax. That is what is we call it as input tax credit. So what are the provisions that are defined in section 16? We are going to see that in this particular slide. Section 16 of CGST Act 2017, it gives you the eligibility and conditions for taking ITC. Now, who is eligible and what are the conditions that you can take the credit of input tax? There are 4 subsections which we are going to see. First is section 16 subsection 1. First is about the eligibility for taking ITC. Second subsection is when the credit for ITC can be taken. Third is it is not allowed if depreciation is claimed on GST, and fourth is about the time limit for availing the ITC. So now we are going to see detailing में हर एक section के बारे में. But before that, we should know few terms. What is that? Like ITC can be availed on inputs which are used for business. Now, what are the inputs that can be in the form of goods, services, and capital goods? So, what does this input means? Input means any goods other than capital goods used or intended to be used by the supplier in the course or furtherance of business. यानी business करते समय आप जो भी goods use करते हो उसे हम input बोलते हैं. अभी इसमें you have to keep in mind we don't consider the capital goods. Okay, when we talk about the input. Next is input services. Input service means any services which we are using or which we are intending to use for the furtherance of business, for carrying out regular business. That is what is input service. Capital goods means the goods, the value of which is capitalized in the books of accounts of the person claiming the credit and which are used or intended to be used in the course of furtherance of business. Business के लिए ही जो use करते हैं goods, लेकिन वो capitalize किए गए हैं. So that are what are capital goods. So these are the basic 3 terms which we are going to see whenever we consider ITC. Thank you. Keep watching our upcoming session.